DogeCoin got some interesting news that came out. I don't know if you guys saw this. Over 1 billion inflows Doge market cap as Elon Musk's Boring Company accepts DogeCoin for rides. Ooh, I'm like, okay, so here's the deal. I see this sometimes. I'm like, does somebody just write this based off a rumor that they heard? And so I'll show you some things that Elon Musk said that gives me confidence that he's still backing Dogecoin, okay? Let's take a look at the overall arching view of this. The Boring Company has begun accepting Dogecoin for rides on loop. Company CEO Elon Musk is throwing his full weight behind Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin prices surged nearly 5%. Surges nearly 5%, on the heels of Boring Company's decision. Okay, well, this is cool. I think what's even more awesome than this is what Elon Musk tweeted not too long ago, which is just 20 hours ago. You guys can see this right here. And he says this, supporting Doge whenever possible. Okay, you have, arguably maybe the richest guy in the world tweeting out he's going to be supporting Doge whenever possible. He didn't say Bitcoin. He didn't say Ethereum. He didn't say EOS. He didn't say any of these other. He didn't say Cardano. He said Doge. Okay, this is why I still believe there is as weird as it is to say this, a somewhat of a cult following behind Dogecoin. And this thing could seriously just see some good price action move up here pretty soon. The market, guys, is not going to keep going down forever. This is literally what's called the psychology of a market cycle. And once you guys know that this is actually something that happens time and time again, not only with crypto, but actually stocks as well, which actually, let me just show this to you guys. I'm not going to just say that. Let me show it to you. So you guys are like, what is he talking about? It's called the psychology of a market cycle. They literally have already printed this exact formation of Dogecoin on the stock market. Basically, it's a stock market. Excuse me, guys, psychology of a market cycle. This was for stocks, okay? And so if you take a look at this, the Wall Street cheat sheet, let me get some water here. I'm like talking way too fast too. Sorry, guys. Let me take a break here. All right. It's funny. I had an inner circle meeting and a guy was a twin and I'm a twin as well. And he's like, all twins talk super fast. I'm like, you know what? Haven't found that to not be true yet. Okay, let's slow this down a little bit. So taking a look at this, let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at something that's already had pretty much the exact same structure as Dogecoin. Can we do that? Okay, what do you guys see here? Impulse, drop back down, a shelving period off, and then absolute anger in the market. Does this pattern right here to you guys look anything like this right here? Maybe? I think it does. What we're seeing is just simply psychology of a market cycle taking over. People make money, people short, they make money, and eventually you start seeing them